Hi guys, we've got two books here from the Transformers. The Autobots Fight Back and Decepticon Hideout. So we're going to take a look at the first one. Now the cover on that looks really good. So if my arm's getting in the way. Right. And on the back, try and get a close up. Yep, that gives you a little bio of Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. A little bio of the leader of the Decepticons, Megatron. Now there you go, a bit of the story. Some jargon there. Nice artwork there. We've got Optimus Prime speaking with Bumblebee. I mean, they do look like the G1 characters from the toys. And there you've got what's going on there as well. Spying on some Decepticons, especially Megatron. And you know, Megatron's always screaming at all the other Decepticons as usual. And the manipulative star scream. Some sort of plan, I see. Yep, Megatron getting really angry, berating people. I think Bumblebee's been caught out here for some reason and they're blasting at him. Yeah. Ravage is now chasing Bumblebee. Oh, right, sorry about that. Ravage is now chasing Bumblebee. Yep, you can see him there. Right. Again, sorry about that, but I'm trying to keep hold of the book. Nice artwork, I've got to say. For all Ladybird books, very good artwork. Megatron hiding in some sort of mine or tunnel or something or other. I mean, tells you more or less what's going off. Yep, hiding in a tunnel. There you can see Soundwave being deceptive as usual. Optimus Prime and his, sorry about that, Autobots planning something. Getting ready to transform into vehicle mode. I think that's Spike and his dad. Yep, Spike and Sparkplug. Optimus Prime, he must be calling them for some reason. There's Ironhide. Must be drawing up some sort of plan. Yep. Some way to stop the Decepticons. Oh, there's a race going off. Don't know if any Autobots are in it. Looks like Jazz is in the race. Annual car rally. Yep. They must be just doing it to sort of sidetrack, make the Decepticons think that they're not onto them. Spike jumping out of Jazz. Looking at the tunnel. Yep. Looks like Energon being mined. As usual, the Decepticons are up to something. Oh yeah, and that's Rocky talking. Jazz spying on the Decepticons. They must have found some energy or something. Intruder alarm. Yep. The Autobots attacking the Decepticons to stop them from stealing Energon. Yep, and there goes the bios again of both Megatron and Optimus Prime. So that's that book. Now we'll go to the other one. Decepticon Hideout. Wonder what this will be about. Oh, you've got Rodimus Prime there. All we all know was Hot Rod until he bequeathed, the Matrix was bequeathed to him by Optimus Prime. There's Jetfire, I think. Got Galvatron and many other Decepticons and Autobots. bit of the story, what's going off. Yeah, they'll be like Rodimus and Daniel. Yeah. When it decides to focus, I think that's a Decepticon. Could be one of the Constructicons. Yeah, try to do these books as quick as I can, guys, because it's aching my back where I'm stood. I ain't got anything to sit on. Yeah, well, that sort of story, but there's the pictures. Yep, so you get that there as well. Some sort of golden disc, not sure what that's for. Ah, car lot, looks like oh, right, it's like bumblebees there. Ultra Magnus. Why has he got no eyes? I don't know. Some sort of power plant. Yep. Sorry about that, but try and hold the pages down. You can follow the story. You can find these books yourself. Just for me, hurting me back, sort of trying to hold these up and keep them in focus. Yep. Galvatron being as evil, as ruthless as he was as Megatron. Yep, getting stopped. Rodimus coming, or Hot Rod coming to the rescue. Yep, we're getting to the end now. Can't remember what the stories were about. Ah, there's the artwork on the back. Well, hope that was okay, guys, and I'll catch you later. Bye.